Ladies and gentlemen, we have yet another person who has been funded with the Real Life Trading Funded Account Program. Today I have Geoffrey McNeve. Geoffrey, how you doing today?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Thanks. How are you?
I'm doing awesome, doing awesome. Well, tell us a little bit about you. Tell us about yourself. What do you do for a living? Where do you live? All the things.
Um, I live in Tampa, Florida, and I am a surgical first assistant.
Okay.
A little bit about myself. I'm 40 years old, and I'm married, and I have two little boys, 7 and 8, Easton and Eli. And we love life living down here in Florida. So
Gotcha. You're young,
yeah,
40. Dang, you're super young.
yeah.
Well, tell us a little bit about like what specific strategies did you use? Tell us about your journey to get funded.
Well, it's been a long journey. I took the 90 days class way back when it started. I think I took the first class,
Sure.
and I failed that account, and I failed a bunch of other accounts. Just kind of blowing them up left and right. But I really found myself in the 10 EMA strategy, and and a lot of Momo strategy, especially with the bots. Just kind of letting it do its thing, letting it trigger, letting it, exit with profit or not profit, that kind of thing. And then I, got into the snapback, and I got into the orb strategies. And,
Mhm.
as you know, Tesla on a 1 minute chart is pretty lucrative from both of those strategies. So those are
It
the main
is.
strategies that I use to get finally get funded.
That's awesome. And you got funded, I think it was about what, 3 or 4 weeks ago, something like that.
About
And
3 weeks ago, yeah.
I know we had a interview scheduled here for a long time coming, so
Yeah.
glad that I get to hang out and chat with you. Now, you did mention something as one of my favorite topics, and that is bots. For anyone who doesn't know, just speak maybe 30 seconds or less. What is your experience with bots? Like, are you a coder? Do you have to know that to do all this? Like, what skill
No,
level required?
it's really easy. You just have to have a basic understanding of how the strategy works and how the candles work, and just how to backtest your strategy, and that's it. And you just let the bot do its thing. There's no human emotion involved in it. You just kind of pick your strategy, you set it up, you enter and you exit, and that's it.
Got it. Cool. And just to clarify, you're talking about bots that run in the real life trading funded accounts as well, right? On MetaTrader 5.
That's
Yep.
correct. Yeah, I have a VPS server that's set up through MetaTrader 5, and I just let the bots run in the funded account.
That's awesome. And do you remember what my original guidance or suggestion was? You said, Matt, do you have any suggestions once you get funded? Anything that you recommend? Do you remember what I recommended?
Take it slow.
Take it slow. Don't
Take
blow
it.
it up. Don't be in a hurry. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah. Well, tell everyone here who's listening, who will be watching this recording, how many attempts did it take? Do you remember how many blow ups? Like you didn't give up, you kept going. How many attempts did that take?
So I didn't get funded until my fifth account. Yep.
Fifth. Okay.
Yep.
Fair enough. So 1 out of 5. That's not bad.
1 out of 5, that'll get you in the Hall of Fame, right?
Yeah, well, that's right. Well, as we wrap up here, what are the any suggestions, any guidance do you have for new traders that are working on trying to get funded, either their first account? Any
Um,
suggestions you have?
just take it slow, like you said. Your advice, don't try and conquer the world in one account. Get to know your strategy, get to know how to back test that, how the bot works, I guess. And really just let it do its thing. Don't go crazy on it. Don't overanalyze. Don't nitpick little things. And if something's not going your way, just let the bot work. You can take a 90% loser up to like 150% winner. Just let it do its thing.
That's awesome. Cool. Well, that is all the questions I have for you. Anything you want to leave us with, Jeffrey?
No, it's just, I mean, follow real life trading, and follow, the people that you're learning from, because it can make a difference. And it, it's slow going, but once you get there, man, it feels so great. It feels so great.
That's awesome. Cool. Well, thank you for sharing your story.